This video is being brought to you by These Slippers Suck production. Schmack-a-macabre, everybody! It's Black Sabbath Sunday, and Joseph Manella sent me this, and it's a bona fide classic versus suck. Yes, Blizzard of Oz, the first Ozzy album, versus Adrenalize. Oh my God. It was like, man, once Hysteria came out, yeah, that was it. You know, before I go into the track by track, let me make something clear to all of you out there that are like me, but you're kind of confused on some things. All right, let me clear it up for you, all right? You and I, we are not part of the big picture. We are the minority. You see, if we weren't the minority, Def Leppard would be playing a shit ton off of High and Dry and a shit ton off of On Through the Night, just like they play a shit ton off of Pyromania and Hysteria. Adrenalize didn't live up to the hype, but I'm sure they still play, you know, Let's Suck or Let's Get Sucked. You know, I'm sure they play that now and then, but you know, there's other songs on here. Because listening to this album now, I'm pretty sure I've done a Suck versus Suck, or somebody asked me to do Adrenalize. But seriously, listening to this shit, I was like, I don't remember hearing these songs at all. It's so damn forgettable. And I don't know, they may be hits, but I'm not sure. But I know a lot of these songs on this album, Adrenalize, have videos for it. So obviously it released singles like Hysteria did. It just didn't do nowhere near as good as Hysteria. So kids realize the reason Def Leppard and Kiss, and you know, there's a select amount of bands, Motley Crue, that will not dig deep into the rare stuff. You know, they just stay with their formula bullshit that you see over and over again. It's like, man, why would I want to go see Kiss or Motley Crue or Def Leppard? Why? I'm part of the, you know, I love Pyromania, but you know, I love On Through the Night and High and Dry even more. But you ain't gonna hear that. Now and then they'll throw out Wasted, I think. That's it. You know, it's just garbage, man. But anyway, and then we got Blizzard of Oz. God damn. Want to talk about an album that totally flipped my wig. You know? And here's the weird thing about Def Leppard and Ozzy. I got to see the Blizzard of Oz tour front row. And opening was Def Leppard on the High and Dry tour. I was front row on the side of Randy Rhoads and Pete Willis. Front row. All the way up front. I got to witness that shit, you know? Real Def Leppard, 10-armed Def Leppard. You know, I mean, honestly, yeah, you know, I feel bad for Rick, but once he lost his arm, you know, Def Leppard lost its balls. Simultaneously. At the same damn time. All right, let's get this started, all right? We got I Don't Know versus Let's Suck, Let's Suck, Let's Suck. I guess, you know, this loses, you know? You know that line of the song? I guess doing a good song is out of the question. Yeah, I Don't Know easily wins, and I don't even have to explain why. But hey, let's hear it for Let's Get Rocked. Alright, next, Crazy Train versus Heaven Is. Here's one of the songs I was like, I don't know this song. What song's this? I mean, didn't I hear this before? I guess I guess songs this crappy really leave my memory bank. It's fluffy piece of crap. You know, and the video sucks so hard, but not as bad as the song. But believe me, the video is hard to look at. It's like this drawing thing. I don't know, man. Who the fuck okayed that shit? But not only don't I remember the song, I don't remember this video, you know? The video's horrible. Crazy Train wins, and I guess you know why. If you don't, seek help. So free cheer for Heaven Is. Alright, next. Goodbye to Romance versus Make Love Like a Man. Yeah, I remember this one. But I thought this song was called Make Love With a Man. Either way, god damn this song, bro. It's like, you know, I can kind of hear the, you know, let's incorporate some, what's the stupid song? Read My Body. No, not Read My Body. Pour Some Sugar on Me. You know, it's them trying to recreate it a little bit. Not as bad as Kiss did with Read My Body. I mean, that was a pure blatant ripoff. This one, they were just trying to incorporate little pieces. And it's such a stupid fucking song, man. Make Love Like a Man? Oh, that sucks. Yeah, Goodbye to Romance. Alright, next, D, Beautiful Little Acoustic Thing by Randy Rhoads, rest in peace, versus the song Tonight. Not to be confused with the superior song off Diary of a Madman called Tonight. This is some craptacular crap. You know, it's like one of these power ballad Def Leppard does. You know, Def Leppard, believe me, I mean, their last good power ballad was Bringing on the Heartbreak. Everything after that was garbage. There was no power ballad on Pyromania. You know, and if anybody out there would say, well, this song's kind of a power ballad, okay, then that one. That's the last good one. Because Love Bites Bites. You know, I mean, it's terrible. And you know that Love Bites went to #1 on the charts. It helped Hysteria sell a gazillion copies because, for those that don't know, Hysteria was a flop when it was released. Woman was the single, didn't do much. Animal came out next. That did even worse. And I saw them on that tour before it blew up. And then, I don't know if it was the next single, but whenever they got around to releasing Pour Some Sugar on Me, it exploded. It was big deal. I think Armageddon was after that, and you know, it did really good. It did great, but when Love Bites came out, that shit exploded to #1 on the charts and sold a gazillion copies. Anyway, yeah, D wins, but Tonight gets this. And it's well deserved. Suicide Solution versus White Lightning. You know, White Lightning, I am aware this song is a tribute to Steve Clark. And I don't like it at all. I think it's a weak damn tune. Tesla did a better song for Steve Clark called Song and Emotion. That's a cool tune. That's a real tribute to Steve Clark. His own band couldn't do it. The opening act for the Hysteria tour did it better. I'm going with Suicide Solution. Durr. And my condolences to the Steve Clark family for this tribute song. This is what it deserves. Alright, next. Mr. Crowley versus Stand Up, Kick Love into Motion. What is this? Adult contemporary Def Leppard? Oh, let's get a little sophisticated, but you know, still, you know, remain sucking with the music. The music's gotta be terrible, guys. Come on. It's so bad. And it's going against Mr. Crowley. Oh, man. Do I even have to say what wins? This is what I think about Stand Up and Kick Love into Motion. Next, No Bone Movies versus Personal Property. I can just see, you know, Def Leppard in a recording studio and somebody comes in and says, hey guys, I know we forgot how to rock. We don't know how to rock, but hey, why don't we do a song where we try to rock? Just to remind everybody out there that we can't rock. Yeah, I'm gonna give that one to Nobo Movies. I love that song. I know it's the least favorite. It's even my least favorite off Blizzard of Oz. But I think it's really good, and it's a masterpiece compared to Personal Property. Let's hear it for that song. All right, next. Revelation Mother Earth. Man, probably my favorite off this album. Going against Have You Ever Needed Someone So Bad? Oh, man. Horrible, sappy garbage. But, you know, I'm watching it. They made a video for it. And I do kind of vaguely remember the song back in the day. And I'm watching it and I'm thinking to myself, this song should have been a huge hit because it's as terrible as Love Bites. And Love Bites hit #1. I'm amazed this crap didn't hit #1. But then again, I think around this time, people started to shift focus to Nirvana and stuff like that. This album was like, I think this album would have done much better if it wasn't for the grunge movement coming in, because it's as bad as Hysteria. This is no less sucky than Love Bites. Maybe Bites more. No, man. It bites equally. Anyway, I'm going with Revolution Mother Earth, but I am going to send out a salute to Have You Ever Needed Someone So Bad. Salute! All right, now we're at the last song with Steal Away the Night versus I Want to Touch You. You know, here again, they are trying to rock, but man, it's like they're kind of trying to rock. Kind of. It's so bad. It's horribly bad. I'm giving that one, obviously, to Steal Away the Night because this is what I think of I Want to Touch You. There you go, Joseph Manella. This is the final score. Obviously, because Adrenalize sucks and Blizzard of Oz rules. What do you all think? Leave it in the comments below, man. And thank you again, Joseph Manella. And everybody watching now, thank you all for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't and ring that little notification bell. And like the video, because that is awesome for the YouTube algorithms. So stay frosty, listen to Black Sabbath, and smack 'em a gob. This video was brought to you by These Slippers Suck production.
I'm out of here.